Some people have been having problems with their Instagram Reels. Now I'm going to show you how to fix it. Super easy. I'm going to show you a couple of ways. Go onto your Instagram app. Have a look if that Reels icon's at the bottom. If it's not, what I want you to do is come off the app. So remember, it's that Reels icon right at the bottom. If it's not working, come off the app and you're going to go into your app store on iOS. Okay, what we're going to do is look for an update. So just simply type in Instagram. We know you've already downloaded it. This is how you find out if it tells you need an update. Hit that update button on the right hand side. If it just says open, your update's already complete. Once you've done that, go and check if the Reels is on there. If it's not, then all you've got to do, next step, is hold the Instagram button down and completely remove the app. Delete it, get it gone. It's turn it off and on again system. And we're going to see when you re-download it from the App Store, if the Reels icon's on there. If it is, fantastic. If it's not, there's still another chance to get it back. So go to your menu settings and scroll all the way to the bottom and add a new account. Okay, all you can do is log into one you've already got or just add a friend's or add yours. Make a new account if you have to and see if the Reels icon is on the new account. If it's not, you need to hit that help section and ask them reporting the problem. Like and subscribe for more how-to videos.